Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna look at my work truck again today, see what's going on with it. My seats don't look perfect. Look beat up and rough and everything. So, have you ever had this problem with your seats? To the point they're just so ugly you just don't want to sit on them or anything? Well, today we're gonna fix that problem. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do and see what y'all think about it. You see, I got the armrest redone, so that's straight. Now we got to work on these seats. So look what we got today. We got some stuff from COVERADO, which is gonna help our seats in the Tundra. So we're gonna get this open and see what we're working with. Seems pretty big, not too heavy, just something in the box. Let's see how much they like us. Okay. It even has a nice little case that came in. Let me do it this way and get it out. Put that right there. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Let's see what we got. Well, made in China. Of course, that's where everything is now. Let's get this opened up. COVERADO Automotive Supplies. This is nice. Pretty nice texture. Feels soft. Even got this stitching on there. And I'm gonna say that this is airbag safe as well. All the hooks and everything's in the packaging. So we got the headrest, 2 headrests, 2 of the upper part of the seat. So this one, this is the other, and you got the seat bottoms. Which is pretty cool. So the way these are set up, it just clips into place. As you can see. Let's go see how hard it's gonna be hard to put into the car. Or the truck rather. Let's check it out. Okay, now we're back out to the ugly seats again. So we're gonna start by taking off these headrests first. I wish they had something for the back seat, but I'm sure that's coming later. But right now we're gonna work on these front seats today. So first and foremost, we're gonna pop off these headrests. Get that out the way. We'll just do the driver's seat first. Okay, like I said, it does have the soft spots on the sides for the airbag. And it even has the airbag safety tag on it, so where it will work. Like so. All right. Now this is gonna use 2 hands in order to get it on. So we're gonna put it onto there. So when it's done, it's gonna look something like that. So let me go ahead and get this set up. And I'll turn you guys back on when I get it on. All right, so this is where I'm at right now. Probably should have showed y'all this first, but it's simple enough. It's pretty straightforward. This is the instruction manual to getting everything put together. As you can see, I'm putting everything up in there as it says to do it. The majority of stuff is already done. So I pretty much like the fit of it right now so far. So it's gonna be a snug fit, which is gonna be almost like factory. So put everything together, slide everything down. Bam, bam, bam. Yes. Slide everything underneath here and connect it in the back. Okay. It even it's got a real nice fit. So pull it through in the back. Well, you get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then I'm gonna turn you guys back on and let you see what it looks like, the finished product. All right. Side note, if your seat has this little part right here, the only thing you're gonna do is just tuck it up in there and slide it out the way so you can get access to everything. So I'm gonna need both of my hands to do that, and I'll turn you guys back on when I get to that point of fastening everything down. Just stay with me. So one thing that I already like about this, now that I move to the other side, that side's completed now. Fit, finish, everything's perfect almost. You know, inside the factory. But like I was saying about this is textured so where it won't slide once it's on the bottom of the seat. I didn't realize that when I did the other side, but now I'm bringing it to the attention of anybody that's looking at that. This might be interested because it does not slip on whatever type surface that you got, which is like Toyota leather's kind of slick, kind of purse feeling like. But yeah, it's slick. So let's see what happens after we get all of the front put together and go from there, and then we'll have a full view of what it looks like with the headrest and all on both sides. Just got that one put on. And show you what it looks like in a second. And just like that, looks like a totally different truck on the inside versus what we've seen earlier today. So all in all, it took about 30 minutes to complete the whole front. All the information to the seat cover company will be down in the description. And I'm working on a discount code as well. So continue to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you think about these seat covers. Did they change the look? Did they make it look different? How do you feel about it? Is it something that you order for your truck or car or whatever vehicle that you might have that needs some type of attention to the seats? Let me know down in the comments. Peace.